Kate joins us now with your forecast, and you say the winds are dying down, which means when the snow comes, it won't be coming in sideways.
That's probably true.
Yay.
We got that going for us.
Yay.
The winds are dying down tonight. Tomorrow is actually a really nice day, kind of the calm before the storm. It's sunny and not as windy as today, but Wednesday looks like a mess, just a mess out there on the roads, especially in the evening. Right around this time Wednesday, it will be snowing and possibly sleeting pretty heavily, leading to some very, very slick and dangerous conditions and probably a lot of traffic as well. Let's take a look outside right now. We'll start you off with a live look at the Franklin Institute in the western sky. Still a lot of light left over despite the cloud cover. At 6:17, you can actually still see some light in the sky, which means daylight hours are getting longer, guys. And in less than 3 weeks now, we set those clocks ahead for the start of daylight saving time. So Philadelphia looking okay tonight. It'll be nice through the overnight hours as well. Storm scan 3 not showing much of anything happening beyond a few lake effect snow showers off to the west, and those will stay off to the west. So skies will be clearing progressively as we go through tonight. Taking a look at storm scan 3 though, as we widen out, and again you can see some rain already beginning across the Gulf Coast and starting to look a little bit more organized here. You can see the outer bands of a developing storm system. This is the system that's going to lift to the north and impact us by Wednesday, so it still has a day or two to get here. Overnight it's quiet, mainly clear, cold and breezy. Supermoon on full display out there tonight. See it tonight because the clouds will increase pretty quickly tomorrow night out ahead of that storm. But the daylight hours tomorrow look great. Lots of sun, chilly but not as windy, with a high around 40 degrees. Now let's talk about this storm. I'm going to take you to the European model. This is one of the colder models. We have a few that are a little bit warmer, have that changeover a bit faster. The European's a little bit colder, brings a little bit more snow to the region. You can see right here around 3 o'clock, it is snowing at a very good clip, the darker purple shading from the city and especially points west. By about 7 o'clock, though, you can see we've already got this mixing taking place as rain starts to mix, some sleet mixing in as well. This is heavy, wet snow. That tends to hold down our snow totals a little bit, and any mixing will hold them down as well. But it will snow for several good hours through the afternoon, leading to slick conditions on the roads. Then it's just plain rain Wednesday night into Thursday morning. There's 4 a.m. By noon, that system's off the coast and the sun will break out Thursday afternoons. For Wednesday on the roads, the morning commute is fine. It's not snowing yet. The roads are coated in brine. That's about it. In the afternoon, though, periods of snow, heavy at times. And for the late evening commute, transitioning to a wintry mix. Snow mixing with some sleet likely. How much snow are we talking? Likely around 1 to 3 inches in Philadelphia and along the I-95 corridor, but likely closer to the 3 range unless there's a little bit more mixing. 3 to 5 inches off to the west and just a coating to 1 inch down the shore and into southern Delaware. So you will likely need to break out the shovel in the Lehigh Valley, the Poconos, the north and west suburbs, the I-95 corridor. Not likely down the shore unless you want to get ahead of it, but once this transitions to rain and then a warm up on Thursday, anything that falls will melt pretty quickly. So if you just want to hunker down and wait it out, by late Thursday, most of this should be melting. Look at Thursday's high, 54 degrees with the sun breaking out in the afternoon. And it's relatively mild Friday and Saturday, even Sunday with the chance for some rain Saturday night into Sunday. So Wednesday's kind of the one anomaly, the one wintry day on that 7-day forecast. And it's going to be messy really kind of from start to finish through the day.
But you know what? It's been a okay winter. I'm knocking on everything I can.
Definitely not wood. Definitely not wood.
Something. What are the plexiglass?